Hi friends, welcome. We'll create some personalized emails. So where we'll be replacing the names, the plan number and the expiry date against the individual user. We'll be replacing using a standard template. Now how we will place it in this particular template? By using the format method, we'll use that one. Before we learn about format, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's learn about format. We are in our Colab platform, and this is a Google free cloud platform to learn Python. We have already discussed about this, how to use this platform and all. So this link to particular this notebook, or sorry, this Colab IPYNV file, this Jupyter notebook, you can get it in the link which is there in the description below. Let's start from here. We'll print this, but you know that this 2 will take it from the placeholder. So I am adding a code block here. Let me connect it first so it will speed up. Okay, so I am saying print. Now here it is. Welcome. Here in the this is the placeholder where this whatever I write the format will be replaced. So it has already written for me. Fine. So now welcome to plus2net dot format Raju. Now if I run this, what will be printed is welcome Raju to plus2net. So fine, it has given me a name here. So okay, sorry, I have to give it 2 here. Okay, fine. You can this 2 also will remove this and put 2 here. So now the output will be welcome to plus2net. Now let us use the multiple placeholders, more than one. So product, price, both will give it, take from the variable. So for that let me print say product. Now I will give a comma here. Now sorry, the placeholder I will place it, price. Not that right now. Okay, fine. Now I will come out here, format. So now 2 values I have to say mango, and the second one is 40. So I have, let me run this. Product is mango, price is 40. Now next we'll use the index position to place the holders. So for that, let me just come here, print. Now say price is, now whatever price it is, now for the product, but here what I will do is I will create format and same thing I will sequence. I will say I am mango, then I am 40, but here what I will do, price is 1 I will put it, here I will put 0. So here mango will come and here the price will come. Let's just see. We have used the price is 40 for the product mango. Okay, for next one, let me add the code. Now on different alignments of the text, we will see that. Here is a string. Let me just directly copy it here. Fine. Now this string I will put it here. So print. Okay, this is the one you see, format mango. So this product will take a left align. Let me just see that how the output is. Mango, here it is left aligned, price is 40. Now let me make it right aligned. So what I will do, I will just copy this line, put it below this. Now here less than place I will use, sorry, right. So now saved. Okay, now let me run it. See, the mango is here, but it is right aligned at this point. Now I want it to center aligned. So let me just copy it again. Here I will put, okay. Now let's see how these are aligned. You can see this is left aligned. The first one, this one is left aligned. Next one is right aligned, and this is center aligned. Here it is. Below that, the code which will convert it to various format of our decimal value in a binary, hex and octal. So this is the different base values and x and 0. The table is already available. What gives that? By just placing that value here. Let me, okay, I will show you. Let's go to this URL, you can see here it is. The binary format base is 2, Unicode, lowercase x format base is 16, uppercase characters, so base is 16. So this x and x is for the hex format and samely for local setting for separator character. Like that, this table is, you can use that. See here, we have to display 4 decimal places. We can specify that. Here is the code. You just see this is 4M. 4M means, though I have given in the input that whatever data is contains 2, but I want that it should be 4 decimal places long. So what happens if I run it? You can see this 0.7500, 2 zeros are added to the right of it. Let's see the how the decimal side space, if you give more, how it will affect. So let's just, I'm just pasting it. Now you see this is 8 places I have used, so including the decimal place. 5, okay, so let's run this and see. You can see 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 places here it is used. Now you just see the gap between these two. Now let me make it 9. This is, I am telling that you use totally 9 space. Sorry, no need to save. I am using, you just see this gap is one is added to the left, but it has not added any number for us. For numbers, you want to show the positive sign or negative sign, or you don't want to by default sign, all this you can run this and see this cell is totally there, number is minus 30. Next one, if you writing it so different conditions it is giving you. So plus minus, if you are writing means this is the symbol is omitted, and but next moment you are putting the third line, you just see plus is giving means this format 30, it is a plus sign is included. So this is the difference only here. Okay, so this is the 100 place. We will try now. Just I am pasting this one. It automatically adds the separator. Here you can see comma is added at different zeros positions. We may add we will take directly a input, say name equal to input your name please. Fine. Now we will print it. Print. Fine. So this is the welcome. Your name, we will take it to this plus2net. Now let me just, your name please, say Alex. Welcome Alex to plus2net. Check the next one. This is interesting. This is where we are moving towards the templates. So here it is, create a list. I am just pasting a list here. All the names are there. Each individual name I will be using inside a loop. So my str equal to welcome. Now here the name should come, welcome to plus2net, I think. Fine. So now what I will do, I will give for name, in my names is at the top I have given. So one by one it will take it. Now I am printing below that. Okay, fine. Print my str dot format name. So when I run it, it will individually gives the address the person. Welcome Alex to plus2net. Welcome Ravi. So one name is placed here inside the loop, and all the names are printed. The same technique I am using here. I am just pasting the code, product, expiry date, email template. So here is my template, and this product and expiry date will be thing. And where from this name has come? Okay, let's just run it and see. Dear Srinivas, your Google Colab. So where from this name has come? You have to just think on that. Subscription will expire on this. What has happened is previously the last variable is carried. The last variable is this particular name. So this particular name is carried to the name. So previous cell this variable is taken. So the template is Dear Srinivas Rao, your Google Colab Pro subscription will expire on this date. These other data, 2 data have taken from here. For the next one, I will just paste it here, run it. You can just see how many places, decimal 5 places are given. Now let me reduce it to 2. You can see, okay, up to 99. Now what happens if I will make it 1? So it will 0.0. 200. It has increased this 199. It has make it, now it has become 200 because I have rounded off it is. So now the next one, This one, usually in this format I will get data from the database. So it can be, say I am creating a invoice, so in that case the data from the shopping cart or from the database I will get it in this particular format, and that I can align it in based on this particular, say here price, and this is right aligned. Now I can move the price. Where is the price? Yeah, so this, suppose price I want the column head only to right align. Now let me just, yeah, you can see here it is displayed in this particular format. Usually the price, when I displaying, I should, to make it 2 decimal places, it should be right aligned. If I will make it left aligned, what will happen? You just see it has come occupied the whatever from the left side, so it doesn't look nice here. So usually the price font you have to make it right aligned. So just remember, head, arrow head pointing to right. Here it is left aligned, the product is left aligned. So quantity is center aligned. You can make it quantity, you don't require that much space. If I reduce it, this will also shift it. So accordingly, this way we can allocate some space and allocate and align it left, center or right. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any idea, suggestion, doubt or questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.